Huawei dedicated a major portion of its Bangkok launch event to new wearable devices, including the Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro and the Huawei Watch GT Runner 2 Racing Legend Edition. However, alongside the smartwatch announcements, the company also revealed a brand new flagship tablet called the Huawei MatePad Pro Max. And honestly, this might have ended up being one of the most impressive products shown at the event. The Huawei MatePad Pro Max is the company's newest premium tablet, and Huawei is heavily focusing on one thing in particular: ultra-thin design. Measuring just 4.7 millimeters thick and weighing only 499 grams, Huawei claims this is currently the world's thinnest and lightest flagship tablet. For a device with such a large display and premium hardware, those numbers are genuinely impressive. Speaking of the display, the MatePad Pro Max features a massive 13.2-inch flexible OLED paper matte panel with a sharp 3K resolution. Huawei also includes a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate, which should make everything from scrolling to gaming and multitasking feel extremely fluid. Brightness reaches up to 1600 nits peak brightness, helping improve visibility outdoors or in bright environments. The tablet also supports 1440Hz PWM dimming, which is designed to reduce eye strain during longer viewing sessions. Huawei says the paper matte display technology helps reduce glare and reflections while improving visibility in brighter lighting conditions. The bezels are also impressively thin at just 3.55 millimeters, giving the tablet a very modern and immersive appearance. Huawei has even managed to integrate a 12MP front-facing camera system directly into the slim bezel design itself, keeping the front clean and symmetrical. On the rear, the MatePad Pro Max features a 50MP camera for photography, scanning documents, and video recording. The tablet is also designed with productivity in mind. Huawei says the MatePad Pro Max supports keyboard accessories and stylus input, making it suitable for note-taking, multitasking, creative work, and more desktop-style workflows. The company even describes it as being built for PC-level productivity. In terms of performance, Huawei claims the MatePad Pro Max delivers a 20% performance increase and 30% better heat dissipation compared to the previous MatePad Pro 2025. That improved cooling system should help maintain stable performance during demanding tasks, extended multitasking, or gaming sessions. Despite the incredibly thin design, Huawei still managed to include a large 10,400 mAh battery inside the tablet. According to the company, that battery can provide over 14 hours of video playback on a single charge, which is very impressive for a flagship OLED tablet this slim. Audio also looks like a major focus here. The MatePad Pro Max includes a 6-speaker setup with quad-driver bass along with 4 microphones, giving the device strong multimedia and video conferencing capabilities. The Huawei MatePad Pro Max will launch in 2 configurations. Buyers can choose between 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage. Pricing starts at £999.99, and the tablet will be available in blue and space grey color options. Overall, the Huawei MatePad Pro Max looks like a serious premium flagship tablet focused on portability, display quality, productivity, and entertainment. Between the ultra-thin body, massive OLED display, high refresh rate, large battery, upgraded cooling system, and premium speaker setup, Huawei is clearly aiming directly at the high-end tablet market with this release.